So with this, I'm just gonna kind of place this on top and get an idea of where I want the center of this to be. Just gonna cut off a little bit from this side first. So just kind of look down the line of the board and make a mark. Set that up here next to the blade. And I'm putting the blade to the left side of that mark because this is the scrap side of the line. I need to adjust the height of this down, where the teeth are just above the wood. Now I come back, I'm just gonna flip it over so I can mark at the same part on the other side. Again, I'm looking down at this piece. So I'm just gonna put a little mark here. Line that back up again with my blade. The blade is to the left of it. Checking again for fit. It's looking like it should be a pretty good fit for the box. Let's stop there. I'll show you how to glue all this up.